Press it once.
It's on.
Okay. We're at Deepwater Creek. We're going to try and deflate a tyre for the first time in our actual lives. So we've got the XTM dual tyre inflator. So I think that does two. So here we go.
Two tyres.
Two tyres at the same time. So if I look at the manual, probably better to do. We've got some stuff here. Okay, so we've got to first put the batteries in. So let's get these. I suppose you do this by taking the rubber thing out. So let's take this out. Okay. So we need a screwdriver. Oh fuck. Phillips head. I've got a flathead. Should probably use a Phillips head, but all I've got is a flathead. So if you don't have a Phillips head screwdriver, you can use a flathead if it's small enough. Tip 101. Okay, that cuts off, and we have to put in the batteries. And we'll reinsert the cap. Oh, there we go. Lights are on. That means it's in.
Green means go.
Green means go. Obviously, when we do this again, it's going to take twice as quick because we won't have to do this shit. Okay. Alright, we're on. Step number 2.
Fucking mozzies.
Remove the valve cap from your two front tyres. These are valve caps. This is a tyre. You know that much. Okay. So that's two caps off. We'll leave them in a safe spot so we don't lose them. I don't know where it is. So we don't lose that one. Okay, step 2. You can probably read the steps.
Okay.
What's step 3?
What are we up to? Step 3. Attach the quick connect lock on chunks from both the 3-meter rubber air hoses to your two front tyre valves.
Okay, here we go. This is one.
Oh, sounds good.
That's one.
Yeah, onto the other.
That's saying it's 41 psi. Okay, second one.
Okay, then press. Oh, fuck. Press the on/off button once to power the dual tyre inflator. That. Okay, done. Okay, on 5. Keep pressing the unit/light button to cycle through the PSI bar KPA. Measurements reading current tyre pressure will be displayed.
There you go.
We're looking at PSI. Yep, PSI. There we go.
Got it.
To equalise/deflate, if the tyre pressure is higher than required, the pressures between the two tyres will deflate and equalise automatically by pressing the air deflation button.
Which is that one, I think. Ooh. All right, yep.
Well, I think you just keep going.
What are we looking for?
I think 31.
Oh, here we go. So next time we'll time this, so at least next time we do it, we can...
Maybe next time we can wear a better hat too.
The hat's removable.
Oh, fuck, he's bald.
Fuck, we have to work out the compressor, right? That'll be in the next video. Got the compressor in the back, we haven't used that before either. Right, 30.
Fucking walk in the park, hey? Alright, well I think that's...
And we'll go and do the...
Before disconnecting from the air compressor, push the air bleed adapter upwards to release air from the air compressor.
Oh, that's here. Oh, we don't have a compressor installed, so that's fine.
Oh yeah, that's to inflate.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
So now we'll take them off.
Yep.
And we'll come back to the back ones.
How the fuck do you take this off? How do you... Oh my god. Still feel pretty hard.
What?
They still feel
you can
pretty
see
hard.
how like wide it is on the ground.
Wait, how do you... There we go. Whew.
Okay. Okay, we've done the back, same again. Don't forget to put the caps back on when we finish, but we're at 39 at the back. This thing's handy though. Do 2 at once.
Yeah, handy bandy.
Available at all BCF fishing.
Promo code Pebbles10 for a 10% discount at checkout.
Okay, we're up to 30 again here. So I'll go just show you how to release them just in case. So
I did it right.
There's a little silver lever, you hold that down then pull it. So that holds it in.
Oh fuck, I dropped the cap. Oh, here it is.
Okay. Make sure you put the cap back on.
Make sure you put the cap back on.
A good spot to leave it. I left it just on the tyre there. So it's another little local
Tip 102.
tip that I have, years of experience. That's what I've done. So we'll coil these up.
And we'll see if we get bogged.
And we'll see if we get bogged, and it comes with a handy dandy pouch as well.
Lovely.
Alright, see you soon.